The scientist sliced the python in half with a knife. He brought the remaining half section close to a glass beaker, and the tentacles at the cut end began to devour the glass wall. In the blink of an eye, the python regrew its tail and was completely whole again. Seeing his experiment was a total success, the scientist immediately retrieved a chip from the snake's mouth and tossed it into the beaker, where it merged with human DNA. An hour later, a gigantic snake egg had grown on the lab table. But as the scientist slowly leaned closer to inspect it, the egg suddenly began to shake violently. The next instant, a pair of small hands ripped through the shell, revealing the upper body of a human-like creature inside. Before the scientist could fully process it, the humanoid creature suddenly stood up and shed its outer shell in the blink of an eye, transforming into a complete human being. Seeing the human form, the scientist was extremely excited. However, the monster seemed to possess its own consciousness. It suddenly grabbed the scientist by the throat. This scene terrified the nearby assistant, who immediately seized the chance to escape the lab while the monster was still getting used to its new body. But the monster paid no attention. After admiring its perfect physique, it walked straight over to a workbench. Curious about its regeneration ability, it picked up a knife and chopped off one of its fingers. There was no pain, just the liquid that oozed out, which it licked. It then brought the severed finger close to a glass apparatus on the table, and the finger quickly healed itself. After confirming that his superpower was still intact, a bold idea immediately struck him. After disguising himself, he went to the biggest bar in town, intending to find a female partner for procreation. The woman dancing on stage became his target.